Sanitation and hygiene are regularly discussed topics in food production and processing facilities around the globe. As regulations continue to be tightened, producers and processors are turning to new methods to keep their equipment sanitary by using high-temperature, high-pressure cleaning systems with the addition of caustic chemicals. These enhanced cleaning methods mean that machine and equipment manufacturers must design and build products that are reliable in harsh washdown environments. Baldor Reliance stainless steel motors and Baldor Dodge Ultra Clean gear reducers are designed to meet the toughest demands of food production and processing. These products meet IP69K for water protection rating and provide the necessary protection from severe washdown conditions, without allowing damaging water or corrosive chemicals to enter the product. To meet IP69K for water protection rating, products must undergo aggressive testing to prove they have the necessary protection under severe washdown conditions.